Hey guys, so today we're driving a Ford Raptor. It's a 2014. This one is a 6.2 liter V8. It's the SVT. So as you can tell, it's really nice. I like those wheels. Your front grille is going to be plastic. And then your hood actually has some pretty cool design to it. So I like these vents though. Some vents being right here, vents being right here as well. They kind of look, I don't know, it just kind of makes it look like a toy basically, in my opinion. Having it on the hood. Then you do have that step right there. This is really nice. These are huge trucks. The handling is probably not going to be as nice though as a lot of your other trucks. This is more of a sports model. It can tow 6,000 to 8,000 pounds, which is actually quite a bit for an F150. It's got 411 horsepower, and the gas mileage is really not that amazing. It gets 11 miles per gallon in the city and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. So you get all leather seats. It says Raptor right on them, which actually it's it's half or two-tone, where right here it's going to be cloth. Then you get the leather. You get the holes in there too, so it can breathe. And so there are heated seats and air-conditioned seats. And there you go. So yeah, it's really spacious. I'm gonna turn this AC down now. It's pretty loud. Come on, focus. Okay, so it's got a navigation. Not 100% sure if it's an actual navigation though. Oh, actually no, it says it right on the top right. There we go. So it's pretty cool. It's got Bluetooth, it's got auxiliary, USB, all the fancy stuff. CD player right in here. It says trailer brake right there. My camera is not focusing right now. So here's what your dash is gonna look like. Let me shut the door though. So there you go. It's pretty neat. Nothing really too fancy or too spectacular, but it is a truck that sounds pretty nice though. The engine sounds great. It's huge. I don't think it doesn't even sound like it has a turbo though, and it doesn't sound like it has a supercharger, which these are supposed to have superchargers. At least the newer ones, maybe a different model is what has it. And you do have memory seats. So you got for number 1 and number 2. So I'll click this one. There we go. And then we'll click number 2. So that's pretty cool that it does that though. Let's take a look under that hood. I like those tires though, and the wheels are really nice. Holy cow, look at this. It's actually got a camera right in the front as well. You don't really ever see that. It's always a rear view camera, and that's all you got. And that's for your like fancy cars, or at least your newer ones. So you got double horns, 2 small ones, and you got a huge radiator as well. This thing is massive. So here we go, 6.2 liter. I guess if I'm wrong, if it really does have a turbo, let me know. Just add that right in the description. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Shut this. One thing I really don't like is this whole thing like wobbles. You can see that? It just wobbles quite a bit. And it's not like it's loose or anything. That's just how it is. So you got hooks right here. That way you can pull your Raptor out if you ever get stuck when you're off-roading. You do have the blinkers on the back of the mirrors. And you do have the rhino skin, or you got the rhino all around that. I can't even think the actual like name for it. So one plus, so you can actually pull this out at the end, and boom, you have a step to get up in it. Just kind of step right up, and look at this thing right here. Now as you get up, you have a handle. That's pretty neat though. That's something I mostly see with Fords. I don't think I've even seen it with others, so it's probably specific to Ford themselves.
Just take tomorrow off and go buy it.
So there we go. Now that is your Ford Raptor SVT F150. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.